Okay guys, I'm going to show you a Mega Evolution test. So, here we go. My friend wanted me to make this video, so I'm doing it. Oh my god, I found the Drapion. Here we go. That was one Mega Pokemon. I got 3 more to show you. First, let's do this one. Here we go, Lucario. Mega Pokemon are pretty strong. Okay, next, this one. Okay, that's a little Drapion, so I'm going to catch it. If it fails, then I'll continue. Okay, it failed, so we'll just continue showing the Mega Pokemons. It's Blaziken's turn. Okay, a fire attack that looks like a water type attack. That's kind of weird. Okay, so we got one more Mega Pokemon to show you. A Beam of Snow. Here we go. So a Beam of Snow gets pretty huge when you Mega Evolve it. I think that's good. Mega and there you go. That's my Mega Pokemons. Well, I also got a Gengarite and I also got Gengarite and Aerodactyli. So, see you in the next video.